motor delay, I have to buy some bolts. What we have here now is a moving engine. Crane hoist block thing. So what I've got to do is tighten up these bolts. Because at the present you can see pretty loose. Normally use the engine, the gearbox bolts, to actually secure this stand onto the engine gearbox. But this time, couldn't do it. So what we're doing is we're just tightening up the bolts on this spider, chassis, whatever. And then with a bit of luck, we'll lift the engine up. Anyway. Lift up again the crane. That's the weight. Put the spinny thing back in. You were looking in the wrong way, weren't you? Now, if we can lower this down to take the weight off. What we should have, excuse the dog, is an engine crane that's stuck within the actual. Right, so I need to get this one wheel the other side. So what that means is back in the air for the engine. Enough to force it. Both the front wheels. that side. Yes, I know, a little bit sketch, but looks like we got there. The engine crane is out. Engine crane is out. So, engine crane is out. An engine is on the stand. So, part 2, or whatever, taking off some of the accessory belts. Now, before I take off the accessory belts, I'm going to loosen the nuts on the water pump and the power steering pump so I can actually get the pulleys off. So if I don't do that, it's going to be quite hard afterwards. So this is a 10mm. The power steering pump, I think, is a 13. Oh yes, it's a 13. And these actually aren't that tight. I've done this in the past and they've been a lot tighter. Now we have the actual tensioner pulley there from what I can see. So we pull this one off. No, that's not the tensioner, that's just one of the idlers. We take the cover off here, and that's the tensioner. And it's Torx. Now we have to find a Torx. To guess a T50? Yes. Or maybe oh, that's the tensioner. Unbelievable. I've been recording for God knows how long, trying to remove the air conditioning, and I've got no idea what's recorded. Because my phone just said it's not recorded. Yeah, this one at the back was a 14. Although that looks more like it's an aircon drain plug. So we're going to put that back in. Probably want to. One aircon pump removed. Now that has left this bracket, and this bracket is actually the engine mount. That's interesting. That's right there. So now we have most of the ancillaries off. Alternator, don't know if you saw that. Power steering pump is still hanging in. Let's see if we can get that out. How does that? One, two. I think it's just the two at the front, which I'm guessing are 10 mils. I guessed wrong, which I'm guessing are 13 mils. Yay. You actually seeing this? You're not seeing this at all, are you? There you go. So basically, okay, you go there for a moment. Put this bolt back in here. Power steering pump can have the bracket back on with its 3 bolts. What I'm going to do is trace where the other side of this pipe has either been cut or just left dangling. Because what I should be able to do is remove tie wraps, which thankfully the boys that actually remove the engine put on to hold various bits in place and not cutting everything, which is quite often what happens. Everybody goes happy, happy, cutty, cutty. What I should be able to do is unhinge the power steering.